Hello everyone, my name is Nan
And I'm Stashma.
and welcome to Vollies Day Out. This is a day where students step outside of the classroom into the community to make a real impact.
Today, we have two amazing projects with more than 60 students involved. We're really looking forward to this day. I was part of Heart to Heart Heroes project, and it was such a heartwarming experience to see them enjoy and share their stories.
I helped lead the Green Guardian project. We're able to turn a neglected garden into a soon-to-be thriving space. My favorite part about today was watching everyone get their hands dirty, laughing, get to know each other, and enjoy the process throughout the day.
It's not just about the projects, it's about the people, the stories, and the purpose we build together.
Volleys Day Out shows that even small actions can create meaningful changes. Thank you for being a part of it.
And we'll see you at the next one.
Bye!
Bye!